Are you curious about the cost of fixing your computer in Bonita Springs? We offer affordable and transparent repair services tailored to your needs. Fix My Computer Bonita Springs. We provides convenient and reliable service directly to your home or office, ensuring a hassle-free experience. We handle a wide range of computer issues, from virus removal to hardware upgrades, ensuring your device runs smoothly. Our cost-effective solutions ensure you receive the best value in Bonita Springs, without compromising on quality or service. The cost of fixing a computer depends on factors like the type of issue, parts required, and service time. We offer clear pricing with no hidden fees. Contact us for a free quote and experience our honest approach. Need immediate assistance? Call us now at 239-382-7247 to get a quote and schedule your repair. We come directly to you, saving you time and making the repair process stress-free and efficient. Whether it's a desktop, laptop, or other device, we offer personalized repair solutions to fit your specific needs. Don't let computer problems slow you down. Reach us at 239-382-7247 for fast and affordable service today.